Hello, I'm Hasmik, mondaydotcom Customer Success Manager here at Cloud Concept. In this video, I will show how to track all your tasks in one place. If you and your team use monday.com for different use cases and you are assigned to many different tasks in all over different boards, sometimes it is difficult to check what are the highest priority tasks that need to be completed today or this week. To check all your assigned tasks in one place, you can use My Work. Now let's see how it works. On the top here, you can see My Work tab. When you click on it, you will see all the tasks that you are assigned all over the boards just in one place. To begin with, you need to go to the Customize part here and define which boards you want to include and set different settings here. So first, we are starting with the people column. So here by default you are assigned and you will see all the tasks that you are assigned to. But you can also select to see the tasks of your team, selecting your team members from here. The second thing you need to customize is the boards that you want to include into your My Work. By default you will have all your boards connected, but you can remove those boards that you don't want to include and check only those that are the most important for you. Third, you need to check the status. By default, it will take the status columns, but you can also double check here. Also, you will define which date column should be the due date column. Again, the system by default will search for those that have due date or date column. But in case there are no date columns, it will be blank, so it's better for you to double check here as well. And also, if you have some boards that there are priority columns, you can select the priority column here as well. And in this case, if there are two tasks that are assigned for today, it will show according to the priority. Now, when you have everything customized in a way you want to see, here you can see all the tasks that you are assigned to that are overdue, that are assigned for today, that are due this week, next week, and later. Okay? And here very quickly you can see from which board these tasks are, which group. You will see the due date column. It can be a timeline column or a date column depending on your use case, and you will see the status. And also, if you have a priority, you will see also the priority here as well. And now it's very easy to update your information just using My Work. For example, if I'm working on this task and I've already completed the task, I can go ahead and change my status just directly from here. Or if I want to write an update, I can just click here and I will see all the details of the item, and I can come here and update my task just directly from My Work. In this case, I will keep everything in one place and it will be easier for me to see what are the tasks that are due today, and I will finish them on time. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.